Alrighty, well, welcome to Bird Sanctuary. For ducks. Be careful what you feed real ducks. These ones are virtual though, so do what you want. You want some DoorDash? Okay. Here, you want bread? Even though you shouldn't feed wild ducks bread. Kinda. Fetch. What the? Pear? Want a pear? You three, want a pear? Here, want a pear? There you go, fetch. Okay, let's make a watermelon sandwich. Okay, let's make a pear sandwich. Okay, never mind. Let's make a bread. Oh. Okay, can't make sandwiches. Do you want this pear? Yep, you do. Fetch. Oh. It's an eating contest. Who's gonna win? Hi. Is there a pumpkin? Can you grab it? Udon Bird Sanctuary. Donate to the park. I would if I could. Or maybe, after I record. Hey, ducklings! Hey! What's up? Okay, you won't pay attention to me unless I got food. Got it. You're duckling. Ah, yo! Yeah, you too. No, don't eat it all, you... No, you... No! You gluttonous duck! Here's your stupid bread. Oh, fetch it. This is some heavy bread. It must have lead in it. Eat it. Not you! Get, go, get. Ugh. Fine, you want food? Here, take the food, 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 take it, take it, take it. My arm's glitching out. Take it, take it. I wonder if I can get every duck here to be attracted to me. Well, yeah, I'll take anything. Come here. Come here. There you go. Hey. Hey. There you go. 2. How many are there? Oh gosh, there's a lot. Okay, 3. Keep going. Hey, you too. There we go. 5. I'm here. No, oh wait. I thought one went missing. Here. Pear. Okay. I got 6. 7. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Where the 23, 24. No, I'm losing some of them. No! They're losing interest. I'm not cool enough. I probably gotta walk slower. Okay, they all here? Okay. One more. Then I will be king of ducks. Markiplier can have king of squirrels. I am gonna be king of ducks. Here. 25! I am king of ducks! Hey, there's stickers on the back. Toggle real-time shadows. Huh. The second I drop this, it's gonna vaporize, isn't it? You just remember who your king is. Oh my god, that went away so fast. Alright, Go on, my subjects. Do whatever you want. I wonder. Can I swim? Nope. No. There's a dock there. Can I walk to that? Nope. Go figure. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's relaxing. Just feeding ducks. Alright, well that does it for this video. It's another short video, I guess. But now you know the origin story of how I became king of ducks. Remember it.